Hey, what's up? Welcome back. In this video I want to show you how you can record your screen with a MacBook, and it's very easy to do. I use this to create all my own videos as well. So let me show you the steps that you need to take to record your screen. First thing you have to do is you have to click on the Shift, Command and the 5 key all together. So click on Shift, Command and 5. Then you will see that this option menu will show up. You can also see that you have these dotted lines and that you can use this to select which part of your screen you want to record. So if you want to only record a certain area of your screen, you can use this to determine which part of the screen you want to record. Then after you have set it up, you can click on the options over here, and if you click on the options, then you will see a couple of options show up. First one is you can decide where do you want to save the file after you have recorded it. So by default it's set to desktop, so my files will automatically show on the desktop after you have recorded it. You can also set a timer if you want, so I have set it to none, but if you want like 5 seconds or 10 seconds before the actual recording begins, then you can set it up over here. And at the microphone settings, it speaks for itself. You can set the microphone from the MacBook Pro itself, or if you have an external microphone, you have plugged it in via a USB for example, then you can select it over here as well. So I have an external microphone, so therefore I have set it to this option. And that are basically the only options that you have to select. You can leave all those settings by default. I believe it's set up like this by default. So in my case, I want to show the mouse clicks. I want to remember the last selection, and I want to show the floating thumbnail. That are the options that you can choose from. So after you have checked all the settings, then the only thing you need to do is you have to click on this option over here. That's the record option. And after you click on this, then it will immediately, if you set it to none, or after a couple of seconds, it will immediately record your screen. So you can decide for yourself how long you want to record your screen, and you want to stop recording it. How you can do that is as follows. You have to go to the top of your screen. There you will see this little icon, and if you click on it, it's the round icon with the square. If you click on it, then the recording will stop. Then after that, the recording will be stored on your desktop like this. So that's the only thing you have to do to record your screen. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I record all my videos this way, and the quality is very good. It's very sharp. So that's a great thing about the MacBooks. So I love it, and that's the way you can do this. So quick summary is you have to click on the Shift, Command and the 5 key all together. Then you can see the options for the recordings. You can check the options. You can select the microphone that you want to use. After that, you can click on record. When you want to stop recording the video, you just click on the square icon or the round icon at the top of the screen. After that, the file will be stored on your desktop. And after the file has been stored into your desktop, you can edit with iMovie, for example, or if you use any other software to edit your videos, you can just add the file to it. That's the way to go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. If that's the case, make sure you like the video. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay up to date on new videos that will be uploaded, make sure to hit the notification bell. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you back again in the next video.